Hey guys, it's Amber here with eTrailer. RV slide-out maintenance is something that you should be doing at least twice a year. And the three main steps are going to be cleaning, lubricating, and conditioning your slide-outs. Now, nothing we say here is going to override what's in your RV owner's manual, so make sure to check that out. But we are going to go over some general tips, so let's get started. Your first step is going to be to clean your slide-out. You want to make sure to do this at the end of every camping trip before you pull your slide in, but if you haven't, it's a good idea to do it now. Just make sure the top is clear of any leaves, debris, tree sap, anything like that you might be pulling into your RV. It's not so much of a concern if you have a slide topper like we have here, but if you don't have one of those, you definitely want to make sure to give it a good scrub. An RV roof cleaner works really well for this. If you do miss anything when you're cleaning the exterior of your RV, you can come in and look at the interior top of the slide and clean off anything that you missed there. Another thing you want to look at, if you have a Schwintek slide, which is going to be identifiable by these grooved racks on the outside of the slide out, you want to make sure to clean these too, because dirt and debris can get in these little tracks. So a toothbrush works really well for getting all the debris out. So you just want to take that, scrub the grooves until that's nice and clear. So the next thing you want to do is lubricate your slide outs. Make sure to check your owner's manual to make sure that your slide out is supposed to be lubricated, because some, such as the Schwintek slide outs, are actually not supposed to be lubricated, and it can actually damage them and void your warranty. So most of the other type can be lubricated, so you're going to use a lubricant like this RV 3-in-1 slide out lubricant. It's a dry lubricant that's going to work really well for slide outs. So you just want to come up here, spray along your components, give it a good wipe down. You can spray your towel, and make sure you get any teeth for your rack and pinion type of slide outs here. And if you have a cable-driven slide out, it's okay to get spray on that too. Now, once you've lubricated all of your components adequately, you also want to go ahead and just make sure that all your bolts are tightened and that nothing's coming loose. Now, if you have a door underneath your slide, like we have here, you also want to make sure to open that. This is going to give you additional access to the rest of the slide out, and you want to lubricate that as well. Just make sure not to lubricate this gear here at the back. They really don't want you to lubricate that too much unless it's making noise or giving you a bit of a problem. Now, like I said before, the Schwintek slides are going to be a little bit different because you're not supposed to lubricate all of the components, but you will need to lubricate a spot just inside the flap here. So what you want to do is bend the nozzle of your lubricant and peel back the seal, which can be a little bit tricky. And you want to lubricate the gear right up around here. You want to do it on the top and the bottom of the track. You want to make sure to lubricate the top and bottom tracks on both sides, from the outside and from the inside. The third step is to condition your seals. This is going to help prevent them from wearing down and cracking in the sun and just over time. So I recommend using a seal conditioner like this one that we have here by 3-in-1 or anything that your owner's manual recommends. So to apply this, you really just want to coat your seal with this spray. And it's important to get the top, the sides, any kind of seal that you have anywhere around your slide outs from the inside and the outside. You probably need a ladder to get the seal at the top. I know I do, but you just want to spray it all down, let it sit. It will dry on its own. A couple of last maintenance items that you may need to take care of. If you have a hydraulic system, you're going to want to check your hydraulic fluid levels and make sure those are topped off within ½ an inch of the top. And these are going to be really common on bigger, heavier slides, so just keep a lookout if you have one of those. Another thing, if you're having any trouble with alignment or your slides not coming in or out, you might need an adjustment. And for that, unless you really know what you're doing and you're very comfortable, we recommend taking it to a professional, because slides can be very finicky and expensive to fix. So we recommend getting those checked out by a pro. So that's going to be it for our slide out maintenance tips. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're only a click or a call away. See you next time. If you guys like that content and want to check out more, go ahead and click up here for a video. To check out an article on this topic, click over here. To check out a playlist, go ahead and click over here. Or to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and click this button over here to see all the videos by our awesome eTrailer teammates.